Folks, another warm and humid day across the valley today. Temperatures back up in the 80s in most locations, even into the 90s right now in Rio Grande City. 80 Port Isabel, Raymondville, 83 at this hour in Weslaco. Dew points are up. Look at this. Everything from 69 to 72 across the region. We'll put the average in the muggy meter at about 71. So we are up into that very humid category, getting close to summertime humidity levels. Not quite, but really close. Summer dew points are usually in the mid 70s. So we're in the ballpark, but not quite there. But bottom line is the atmosphere is kind of moistening up. It's juicing up for the potential for showers and thunderstorms later tonight, early tomorrow. We're talking pre-dawn probably. Now, Future Track hits its stuff sneaking into the region by 8 a.m. All the models kind of at odds about how this is going to play out. Most of them don't have a good grip on it, but the bottom line is there's a shot at stuff coming in from the north because of storms way to the north of the valley that are happening this evening and early in the morning. So we could see kind of the southern edge of that sneak through the area. And then some of the models indicate a second wave in the afternoon, primarily in the west. Now, if we get stuff in the morning, it'll be tough to get things going again in the afternoon. The atmosphere will be kind of worn out, if you will, but there's still that possibility, although it would go down. I think Wednesday's mainly dry. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but the chance for thunderstorms will be later tonight, early tomorrow. And then Thursday, still can't rule out an isolated shower, but it's mainly dry as well. What's the threat of severe weather? Everything is low. Notice they're kind of not over here in the very bottom, but the biggest chance may be flooding rainfall. You know, we say low on large hail. Small hail, there's a slightly better chance. We might go up almost to the yellow for small hail, itty bitty stuff. Tornado risk is almost zero, and the damaging wind risk is relatively low as well. So really heavy rain is the most likely scenario. We don't think it's going to be severe, but there is potential for a thunderstorm or two that could kind of rattle the windows a little bit. 40% tomorrow, then we go mainly dry on Wednesday, back to 10% on Thursday. And again, your chance for anything strong would be late tonight and early tomorrow. 84 for your high tomorrow, then 86 on Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures staying right near the normal for this time of year. Here's your severe weather threat for tomorrow. When you look at marginal, that's the lowest end of the spectrum, and that's areas western part of the valley and northward. So basically just a really slight chance of something popping up. The green area is just a general risk for thunderstorms, non-severe. So again, we're in that very light possibility, and we'll keep an eye on it. Fronts pushing southward. Thunderstorms likely to fire up on that front. Better chance of severe weather to the north of us. Here, stuff kind of falls apart, but an isolated shower thunderstorms a possibility. By the time we get to Wednesday, we're down to just leftover moisture. Same thing for Thursday. Nothing big, but we're getting to that time of year, April into May, when there's potential for storms in the area. In the morning, if you're headed to the beach, temperatures start in the upper 70s. Easterly winds most of the day, and readings just don't go anywhere. UV index remains very high. The rip current risk is moderate. Surf temperature right now at 75 degrees. Here are the tides. There are two. The highs at 4:46 in the morning. A low tomorrow night just before 10. Seas running 4 to 6 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. So late tonight, the chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Until then, we're mostly cloudy. 73 for your low. Then tomorrow back to 84. A lot of clouds. A shower or a thunderstorm a possibility. A couple of shots. Once in the morning, then again in the afternoon. Southeasterly winds turn around briefly to the northeast. We're mainly dry on Wednesday and Thursday. We're talking 5 to 10% chance both days. As we head into the long weekend, Good Friday, breezy and warm, 87. Same kind of thing for Saturday. Still maybe a 10% chance or less on Sunday. Slightly better chance come Monday of next week. But temperatures stay right around normal throughout the forecast period. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.